pamangkin.
Hello.
Magkwekwentuhan lang uli tayo this week kasi
We haven't
madaming
had
nangyari.
one
We haven't had one in a while.
in
So,
a while.
kumbaga, update lang sa
Oh,
community ko ano nangyayari.
yeah.
So, kasi madami na nangyari and we just want to, I guess, compartmentalize and categorize some of them para at least we can zero in on some of the topics that we want to talk about. So, I guess, una nating kailangang i-address ngayon sa ating community update is the player base na
Yeah.
talaga naman biglang lumaki. As in bigla.
Yeah.
Like,
Props to those.
we're gonna see later in the schedules na medyo napupuno na din ng mga schedules na yung mga weeklies natin, dumadami ng attendees. So that's really, really good. That's a good thing that we can see that's going on in the community and really appreciate those who are sticking around, attending their weeklies. And of course, yung mga nakikita din natin sa majors. So yeah, it's been quite a roller coaster ride since the past few months, especially with the start of Wilds Unknown. Ano pa ba masasabi nyo, mga Lorcan Tito?
So, syempre, kakatapos lang ng ating Asia qualifiers, no?
Mhm.
And we have the numbers. If we were to maybe compare to our siblings, no?
Mhm.
Medyo hindi naman tayo yung last, no?
Not last
We're
place.
not last place, no? But I mean, compared to our siblings, we're kind of trailing a little bit, no? But given that we actually had the first ACQ in the
Yeah.
region, like a week after the release of Set 13.
Yeah, that was tough.
Yeah, that was kind of tough. Maraming mga tao ang naghahanap pa ng pyesa and a lot of them, I think, at least I know of some na hindi na pumunta kasi naghanap pa ng pyesa. No,
Mhm.
ito yung isa sa mga events natin na hindi tayo pwede mag-proxy, and if some people didn't feel that they were confident enough to attend without the pieces, no. So that week was pretty wild prior to ACQ, no, kasi nga lahat ng tao naghahanap, and we will talk about cards later on,
Yeah.
no. But yun nga, to give you a little bit of numbers, no. So from what I know, yung sa Indonesia, they had like 50 plus
In their ACQ.
in their ACQ.
Okay.
Sa atin, we had 77.
Yeah.
We had like around 89 registrants at one point, and of
Mm.
course nangyari is tawag mo nun, yung mga tao on the
Droppage.
day drop. So I think even sina yung ibang kakilala natin sila Emil, they had suddenly work, so hindi sila
Yeah.
nakapunta even though they were not ready. 77 tayo. And then the following weekend, no, yung Singapore had theirs, where they had 172 players.
That's a lot.
More than double than ours.
Yeah.
But ang pagkakaalam ko, they also had it in just one day and it was less of one. I could be wrong, so paki-fact check na lang ako mga kaibigan, na but yun yung nangyari sa kanila.
Yeah, yung sa atin
And
2 days no?
2 days yun sa atin, yes. And medyo mas maganda siya kasi naka-spread out. But our other sibling, Thailand, no, had 224.
Wow.
So medyo madaming tao talaga yung naglaro. I haven't seen the numbers for Hong Kong and Taipei, Taiwan, no? But malaki na yung sa mga kapitbahay natin, no. We're slowly getting there, no. I mean, like, there are people na nakita natin sa ACQ na hindi natin kilala.
Yeah, actually.
So
And as a consequence, I feel yung set champs natin has been, ano ba natin to
filled
sasabihin?
to the brim.
Wild. Wild. Has been wild, no? To the point na yung mga tao parang, oh my God, ang dami-daming nagre-register. Wala na ako slot, tapos naka-waiting list na lahat ng mga tao.
Yeah.
No, yun yung consequence of our sudden growth spurt, no? And we've had a lot of new players come in, no? So sina sina Ice, sina Game Booker, naglaro na rin sila. Si Jan a veteran NTG player, he also plays really well, no? And some of the other people that I do not know anymore. Nakikita ko na lang para, sino 'tong mga 'to, 'no? And siyempre kapag nakakalaban mo, isipin mo na lang na sila Prime Juancho yung kalaban mo para no, don't underestimate the
Yeah.
newbies kasi talagang, isa yan sa mga
Ayun
dapat
nga,
di mo
like
ginagawa.
with the ACQ, a lot of fresh faces, tapos yung iba, faces we know, kaso yung hindi sila, like casual, tapos bigla na silang sumasabak ng competitive. I was among them, hindi din naman ako usual in this environment. So, ayun, merong bago, merong resurgence dun sa mga may cards na reinvigorate sila. So, yun nga, steady growth despite being compared to the other siblings.
Makikilala din
So,
naman natin yung mga new players eventually if we see them in the
eventually,
tournament.
yeah.
So, yeah, I can't wait to meet you guys, to face you. Maybe you would kick our proverbial behinds. So, yeah, looking forward to it.
Just know na for the old players that have been here for a while, ito na yung matagal nating hinihintay.
Yeah.
To the new players, welcome. And to those that have left,
Balik
baka
kayo.
gusto ninyong isipin na bumalik.
We miss you.
Na we miss you. Like,
Tsaka,
I know of a few people na sana bumalik.
tsaka sana naman, ito lang alam ko naman na konti lang yung gumagawa nito, pero wag naman tayo mang-gatekeep. Diba? Let's let the people enjoy the game. Let's let the people learn what Lorcana is, see how vibrant the community is. And if they decide to stick around, it can only mean growth. Kasi naman, may mga nagsasabi dyan, iba, bandwagoner lang, ganyan. But everyone starts out
Somewhere.
just being interested in somewhere, whether it's bandwagon or not. So, and if they stick around, that could only mean growth for the community, and growth is always good. Growth first mindset, ika nga.
So, again, matagal na nating hinintay ito. So, now na nandito na siya, we welcome all players. The more we have, the funner it is. The events are bigger. Pinapakita natin sa distributors natin na worth it mag-invest sa game. Hindi natin pababayaan na mamatay yung laro natin.
Definitely. Although speaking of hindi natin pababayaan mamatay, with growth comes a few challenges, of course. Hindi naman natin maikakailal yun that as the community grows, it comes with a little bit of bad things, and that is the stock issue, allocation issues that we've been experiencing right now. So the PH market is madaming gustong bumili, pero
available.
Ang konti ng available na stock. Ayan, nakikita nyo dyan yung pictured here.
The elusive amber lot.
The elusive amber lot. Because again, ika nga ng 311, amber is the color of your energy. Ayan, lahat ng mga amber lot na binebenta sa marketplace dun sa buy and sell group chats natin.
Parang 1
laging
second
ubos,
pa lang nakadibs na agad.
Daming dibs. So,
pre-dibs.
yeah, there are some stock and access issues right now, which was aggravated by, again, the sudden surge, not just of players, but also of collectors. And unfortunately, what some may consider the S word.
The sealers.
The sealers.
Well,
but again, these are growing pains that come with a growing community. Kasi naman, basta naman nag-balance out na okay lang naman, they exist. However, it has to be not as saturated na panay ganun na lang. Kasi pag panay ganun, then yan yung may danger na mamatay kasi nobody will be able to get cards and play.
Yeah.
So, yun. So far, I think it's at a tolerable level. However, I still have my reservations. Officially, I have my reservations about selling sealed product for a high price. Kasi okay lang sa akin. Singles, that's fine. Sell it whatever you want. Singles yan eh. Bukas na yan. But if it's sealed, medyo may reservations na ako about buying or supporting scalped prices, so to speak. And I think the rest of the Lorcantitos also agree with me. It's something that we always have to deal with in this community, especially again in a growing community. Ika nga ni Aladdin, phenomenal cosmic power, itty-bitty living space.
Living
There's
space.
always a trade-off for growth. Ano pa masasabi natin dito?
Hindi kasi we wanted to try to avoid this topic for a long time, pero I guess para na rin matuldukan
Yeah.
ano ba yung yung opinion namin if it matters to the community, no?
Elephant meme in the
Na
room.
Yeah.
I mean elephant in the room that we have to discuss. Again, yung and shout outs to our LGSs that try to keep it as
Yeah,
real
actually.
as possible, no?
Yes.
I know that they have been especially struggling this set, no, because of things that have happened,
Mhm.
no. I guess siguro hindi kami at liberty to fully say what it is, but for those of you who know, the allocations have been really rough,
Mhm.
no. And it just so happened that our brick and mortar LGSs, the ones that do have the organized play events, somehow had the short stick. Kapit muna kayo mga kaibigan, no? And we hope that it gets better as time goes along. It should be kasi things have been steadily moving in the background, and hopefully next set will be a little bit more tolerable, no, for everybody, no. Gaabot pa tayo sa Pokemon level allocation, we do not know, no, but the mere fact that we're having these problems means yun nga, growth it's still growth, it's growth, no,
Yeah.
even
It
though
is
it's
still growth.
negative. Basta sana matawid natin siya
Mhm.
to a place na kung saan magiging masaya yung mga tao. And yun nga, parang gone were the days na okay, makakahanap tayo ng mga naka-sale. Naabutan pa natin dati, nagsisale pa yung mga
Yeah.
LGS na, sale itong mga box, ayaw mag-move. Ngayon, parang, whoops,
Yeah,
nawala na lang
everything
sila
just
lahat, no?
everything just goes these days.
But again, as long as people are opening things, I guess
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
means good overall.
Yeah.
No? So there was also one question that was raised in our episode last week.
Yeah, last week.
Yeah, regarding like yung PH market, and parang when we say budget, tama nga naman na yung budget namin, we had like 500 pesos, $10,
Mhm.
$15, mga 1K na decks. And sabi niya, imposible yan. Kasi yung mga cards, a common is worth like 30, 40 pesos if you buy from a store. Swerte ka na kung makakuha ka ng 10 pesos. And we agree. No?
Yeah.
Kine-replyan ko yan na ganun siya ngayon. No? And it's also part and parcel of what we discussed earlier na wala kasi nagbubukas. Kaya ganun siya. No? And some of the more chase commons, uncommons, nabibigyan talaga siya ng premium price. And people are willing to pay for these at a premium price kasi mahirap maghanap. And
Yes.
that's currently where we are. No? But does it mean na hindi tayo makakahanap ng mas mura? Yes and no. No.
Yes.
We've been here for the longest time. Hindi wala pang distro, nandito na
Yeah.
kami, no? And we've, I guess, built up a network of people that we know kaya naming pagkunan ng pyesa. No?
Yeah.
And these people are not in the shadows
Secret
naman.
naman.
Hindi
Mm.
naman
They
sila
sell.
secret.
It's not a secret network.
Kilala natin kung sino sila kasi palagi rin naman sila nagpo-post at pare-parehong pangalan lang naman yung mga
Yeah.
lumalabas dyan.
Yung mga mahilig
And you-
magbukas.
And you have as much access to them as we have to them, no? And kung kilala ninyo sila, they can provide you with the prices that we want it to be,
Mhm.
the cheap prices.
So, celebrate na nga lang din natin yung mga nag-o-open, yung
Yeah.
nagse-sell kasi sila yung ano, 'di ba? It's a cycle, 'di
The
ba?
trickle
Mm.
down goes to all of the other players. The trickle down of commons, uncommons, and
Mm.
everything else. Kasi yung iba nag-chase lang din ng mga
Mm.
enchanteds,
Top end,
iconics,
yes.
yung
Oo.
top end
Mm.
chine-chase, and then pero yung mga commons pinakakawalan nila. So
Oo.
shout out to those people na yun yung ginagawa. It really helps the community. Ayun nga, needs to be that commensal or symbiotic relationship between players, collectors, and
Mm.
whatnot. Yung again, yung the scalpers are the ones that kind of an outlier in that ecosystem. Kasi parang sila yung, I wouldn't say sumisira, but they're kinda, shall we say, bypassing some things. Yun nga, meron mga hindi napapass down sa ano, pag ganun yung nangyayari. But again, growing pains. And as a community, we can get through it. And maganda nga dito is the LGSs are on our side. May makilala kaming LGS na talagang they try to, to make it more accessible to players and try to limit scalping and all of that. So,
Mm.
we really appreciate those things na
Yung mga
ginagawa ng mga
gumugupit
LGS.
ng
Yeah,
pack
yung mga
bago
gumigipit.
ibenta.
Ngayon, like yung Green Gate, ginawa nila
Green
yon.
Gate.
We really, really
Anti-sealed.
appreciate that.
We miss you already.
Yeah.
We miss you already.
So yun, anyway, going back to that comment nga, no, yes, it's true na currently the market is having a kind of surge kahit sa commons and uncommons, but again, like Ian said, go to the community and not to the stores na nagbebenta ng singles, and you could find it. Although, of course,
Could find it.
yeah, punta ka din sa
Marami
store
talaga.
to support it, especially if
Support
it's
pa
something
rin
that you
yun.
really want. But if kung nahihirapan ka na, mamahalan ka dun sa presyo ng store, the community is there to help you out. And again, you can access it via the official buy and sell group in the official Lorcana Facebook community, in the official Lorcana Philippines Facebook groups and group chats, yung community chats. Yun yung doon yung ma-access yun. Sumali lang kayo. Just ask any one of if you see us in a tournament, ask us, so how do I get there? We can tell you. We can link you there. We can get you through an admin. Of course, as Ian always says, sagutan nyo yung mga tanong, utang na loob.
Sagutan.
Kasi it's one of the ways we also ferret out kung yun nga,
Legit.
scalper nga or talagang player that is really looking for cards.
Oh.
And ayun nga, I think, well, I don't know if we're moving on kaso we'll be talking about it. I think the meta allows for a lot of viable colors nga. So hindi naubos yung mga pwedeng gamitin kasi maraming pwedeng gamitin. Like
Yeah.
other options, maraming pwedeng mabuo with other pieces that some might not be looking for na hindi hot item. So meron kasi hindi ka mauubusan ng either other options or ayun nga, like merong mga tao talagang meron. You just have to keep chatting or looking for them kasi andyan lang naman sila. So,
Yep.
Yeah.
tiyaga lang
Interact with
din.
your community.
Oo, tiyaga lang
Mhm.
din kasi siyempre you put in the work, makukuha mo yung connections, makukuha mo yung a good relationship with your sellers and the community para going forward, set na, 'di ba?
Meron akong confession.
Confession?
No,
Sige.
Dito
confession.
confessions.
These are my
Kasi yung mga tao,
confessions.
hindi kasi sila nagtatanong and to maybe push the point, no? Naalala mo ba to, BJ? Itong box na to.
Anong ba? Teka, hindi ko nakikita sa...
Hindi kita, hindi kita.
Hindi kita. Ayan, ayan. Iharap po sa mukha mo para makita. Ayan, ayan. Oh.
Ito medyo malaki to, di ba?
Yes, I know that box.
So I filled this one up with staples
Uh-huh.
from our own pile.
Yeah.
So there are cards with us na alam ng mga tao na nagtatanong sa amin na halos ipamigay na namin yung mga cards. Kasi
Magtanong lang kayo, namimigay kami.
Magtanong kayo.
Eto. Like, ayun nga, help out your sellers. Syempre meron kang looking for list. Kaso, ikaw na din yung mag-reach out, 'di ba? Hindi yung
Mm.
magpo-post ka lang ng LF list, tapos yung si seller pa yung lalapit sa'yo. Hindi, magtanong ka. Just
Mm.
ask, 'di ba? Make
Actually,
Effort.
things
meron,
easier.
meron
Oo.
tayong mga looking for na meron mga pyesa. No, pero hangga't hindi, well, syempre, ang nagiging priority is kung sino yung mga madalas natin
Ka-deal,
ka-interact
yeah.
at ka-deal. Sa kanila napupunta, like, si Emil.
Yeah.
Ang haba-haba na ng listahan na nakuha niya sa atin. Pag nakita tayo, parang, kunin mo na muna to sa kanila natin pag-usapan kung ano.
Mm.
Si
Ako
Nabong, ganun, di ba? Si Bong, di ko pa sinisingil. Si Manuel, di ko pa sinisingil. Di ba? Parang, again, we were here to help you out as much as we can. If we have the cards, we will be selling them at okay prices, sometimes less.
Minsan nga
Pag
pinamimigay na lang.
si BJ nga namimigay pa eh.
Kaya nga
ano
bawal
eh,
ako mag-trade
kaya
yan.
bawal maghawak ng cards yan si BJ kasi para sige sa'yo na lang to. Hindi pwede kasi kailangan din natin ng konting pan-trade para sa pyesa natin, no. Kasi kami, we prioritize not selling but we try to trade as much as possible.
Trades.
Kasi madali yun para sa amin kahit minsan lugi, no.
It's a cycle.
We have a lot of foils. We have a lot of foils that for now we are going to keep up until coconut.
Coconut.
Sorry,
Coconut.
magiging lang, para lang clear, no. Tatago mo namin sa coconut para tumaas muna ng konti yung value niyan para meron kaming pan-trade. Kasi yung yung funds namin for product is
Dwindling.
kailangan i-manage,
Yeah.
no? Kasi we try to at least get one case as much as possible every set, no? We didn't get one this set because of allocations, pero
Dalawa lang nakuha namin, dalawang box
na nakuha namin,
not a full case. But
pero
better than
kahit
nothing,
papaano,
right?
Yeah, better than nothing. Pero
Good
yun
news
nga,
too.
parang mabulan namin yung playsets namin and the rest goes to
to the community.
people, no? Although syempre priority namin yung mga matagalan namin ka-deal kasi meron kaming network of but if you ask us and we have it and binibigay namin, there is also a certain preference, at least on my end, to prioritize new players to get their cards.
Of course.
So kapag meron kami mga nami-meet sa mga weeklies na parang okay, kulang ka ng ganito, sige, meron kami, bigay. I know that I've given a lot of cards to newbies and pag talagang nakuha ninyo yung kiliti namin, yung kiliti, no?
Sa tagiliran
kami na
ako.
Kasi
ako sa wallet
kasi may mga kasi mabilis gumalaw yung yung buy and sell natin, no.
Yeah.
And ako, I also try to look out for our pamangkings.
Yes.
Nakikidibs na din ako para sa ibang tao.
Pamigay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hindi para
Hindi
ibamigay.
Para
Parang ako na yung
nila.
bibili ko, ako muna basta sagot, nagbayad, pa-ship kahit ako pa-ship. Like si Bo, di ba? Inunan natin siya ng pyesa kasi kailangan niya. And alam namin na kailangan niya. So, nakidibs na rin ako para sa kanya kasi hindi naman siya palagi online. So, ngayon, naglalaro kami, meron na siyang pieces na kailangan niya. No?
Yep.
So, I mean, like, I can't do it for everyone. Pero parang, just know that, parang, kung may bagong player, kailangan ninyo na help namin, we'll try to help as much as we can. Yun.
And in exchange, pag naging na kayo, medyo veteran na rin kayo, we only request you do the same for newer players.
Yes.
Pay it forward.
Pay it forward. No, alam ko naman si Bo naman ganun din siya. Emil has been like that.
Parang ganun nga din, no? Kay Emil. So, kakausap ko lang din sa kanya kanina. Parang lakas ng mention ni Emil ngayon. Shout out Emil.
Shout
out Emil.
Ayun nga, diba? Like, last episode, it's been revealed na pinapakyaw ko yung Bob Cratchit. I have like 2 digits na of Bob Cratchit. So, sabi ko,
ay, nako.
Hoarder.
Sabi ko, dude, nagbubuo ka ng mini-mini. Tapos sinabi niya naman, oo. So like, dude, bigay ko na lang sa'yo to. Kailangan mo
yun
naman.
Pala yung secret doon.
Diba? So, ayun. Syempre, I have it.
It's benevolent hoarding.
Benevolent hoarding. Well, yes and no.
Yes and no.
Yes and no. But more yes, not so much no, but yes and no.
Yeah.
So I choose to support certain decks.
Speaking of, no, we'll get to that later. No? Pero yun nga, parang just know that if you ask people in the community and you know that these people are already known to be people that have the cards, wag rin kayo mahiya magtanong kasi
Mm.
minsan meron naman pala sila ng hindi ninyo alam. No? And don't stop posting yung mga looking for ninyo kasi kahit papaano
Baka
meron
may
pa ring mga
makapansin, di ba?
may makapansin ng
Senpai
paisa-isa.
might notice you.
Ako, I know that we have some pieces ng mga tao na nag-looking for. Pero, yun nga, ang priority ko, pag nakita ko sa ng newbie, sa kanila ko mas ibibigay yung mga ano natin. No? Baka may ganun din. No? Hindi naman kami for profit. Hindi naman tayo for profit.
For the
No?
community.
Actually, lugi nga. Ang dami na nating nalalabas na. Okay lang. No? Di pa nga tayo monetized eh.
Wala
Okay
ga
lang
eh.
yan. No?
Okay lang yun, okay lang yun.
Okay lang yun.
Love
okay
of the
lang yun.
game.
Love of the game, no?
Well, ayun nga din. So, I mean, it might not have been mentioned ka. So, meron din naman na like from the community na nagpapaabot sa atin para
Yeah.
ibigay talaga.
Yeah,
Yes,
actually.
yes.
Ginagawa
shout-
naman
kay
namin.
kay AC has given us some
Love
stuff.
yan. Oo.
Oo, syempre
And then yung
si
mga,
Chino has also
Chino.
been
Chester
there
Si
to
Chester.
Chester,
has
yes.
given us a
So,
lot.
Given us a lot. No. Syempre si
Earl.
bibigay din siya from before. So we have a lot of people who
trickle down talaga.
course through us, no. Kasi yun nga, binibigay rin naman namin. And siguro doon na rin pumapasok. Hindi naman siya nang-gatekeep kami, di ba? But we prioritize growth of the community.
Reverse
Kasi yung mga-
gatekeeping tayo.
Reverse gatekeeping
yung,
tayo.
yung mga lumang player, wala na kayo. Yung mga
Oo.
bago bibigyan namin.
Kasi alam namin na kaya na ninyo maghanap sa sarili ninyo. kumbaga, ano na kayo, sold na kayo, nandito man kami or wala, bibili, maghanap talaga kayo. So tutulungan na lang namin yung mga tao na medyo hindi pa nandoon.
Yeah.
And ano, I mean like again this we been glazing ourselves, hindi naman, no? Pero yun nga, parang growth first yung mindset namin, no? But if you ask us and if there are extras, nagbibigay naman din kami.
Yes.
Unahan na lang. Huwag kayong maghanap ng mga rare or mga rare or above. No, but some of them commons and staples, we do have
For sure.
some.
Mhm.
Inisip ko nga na ano na lang, ipapabundle na lang natin tapos kung may newbie pamigay. We'll see what we can do with this one. No? But yon, yung market natin is currently in a very weird state. We still try to follow the US market, yung TCG mid, X5, whatever. Tumaas na yung dollar. So, yung iba
yung iba collector nga ginagamit eh.
Yung iba collector na yung ginagamit. They're kind of in the same range. So, whichever is more convenient to the seller or to the buyer. Sa amin, hindi naman ganun nagmamatter. But yun, just know that these are growing pains that we are currently experiencing. And hindi naman sa mahirap maghanap ng pyesa. Maybe just try to look for it ng mas masinsinan.
In the right places.
And people will have it. Baka nga ganun din yung ginagawa nila. Hindi sila nagbibitaw sa mga kung sino-sino lang. Basta kapag bago, doon na-prioritize. And I know that hindi lang naman yata kami yung gumagawa nito. Yes. Inisip ko muna. Yes.
Hindi na naman tayo. Okay.
Growth mindset.
Mabait naman dyan.
Okay,
Alright.
next. Ang ating next topic.
So we always would want to discuss the meta. And this one will be a little bit quick, I guess. Kasi yung natin, yung issue lang naman natin dyan is ano ba yung mga prevalent na decks na meron tayo.
Ayun, nakita natin kaya.
Nakita natin yung kung ano yung mga
Amber.
Amber, no, but people will not have complete sets yet. Unless yun nga, secretly kumuha sila from another source. Those other sources are also available to you. Nagpo-post rin naman sila sa buy and sell. So, I know of one person na maraming nakuhang orders
Mhm.
of certain cards na parang okay, points to these kinds of decks. And yun nga, parang yung mga tao na umu-order from online through their own sources will suddenly have decks. So wag rin kayong
Yeah.
magulat na hindi porket nagkakaroon tayo ng what do you call this, ng shortage
Scarcity,
of
yeah.
cards, scarcity of cards na yung mga tao hindi sila makakahanap ng paraan para makahanap
Yep,
ng decks.
yep.
But again, our local meta is still kind of weird. We're trying to follow the Western meta, but because of pieces, hindi natin fully magawa 100%. So we still have decks na incomplete na linalaro. You lean towards cards that are more accessible. No? Ngayon, nagkaroon ng sudden surge in buying Pocahontas na shift. Di ba?
Yeah,
Parang if
shift
you
Poca.
haven't, if you didn't have these before, it's gonna be hard looking for them. Angels are now double in price.
Ah,
So,
Nice.
that 4
so,
cost nothing burger? Pero gumagamit na ako.
gumagamit ka na
Anyway,
ngayon.
anyway.
Oo.
Sorry.
So
May
ano siya,
naghahanap.
may mga naghahanap. So, yung meta is so, at least, it's Amber dominated,
Wider.
Amber,
but
yeah.
it's wider. No?
Wider.
And yun nga, parang, at least locally, there is a good mix of decks. And I think also, people would have more than one deck in their pocket.
Yeah.
Except DJ.
Just have to highlight it.
Ano,
Okay.
more than one, kaso same colors.
Yeah.
More than one pero same color. Di mo alam kung ano yung dadalhin. No?
Kasi also looking at the meta right now, again, because of the scarcity of cards, I would say that there would be a lot of Amber Emerald toys or Ruby Amber toys because those were readily available in the starter decks. Kaya mas madali siyang kunin. Especially yung Amber Emerald na toys. Yun yung mga nakikita ko, I think, na the people are gravitating towards because they could just really modify the ones that they got from the 2-player starter set. And they're ready to go. So, but again, still Amber, Yerpal right now is really, really good.
Yerpal.
The Yerpal mid-range, again, nung discuss namin before with our card selections, World's Greatest Gaston is the new Elsa. He's the new 5-drop that you put after a Agustin Madrigal or any support character, and it's going to take out a big target much when that turn comes, that 5-ink turn comes.
And uncommon lang siya.
And uncommon lang siya. Actually, the uncommons are pretty powerful, right? Come on, Grandma Willow. They are
Too powerful.
very powerful uncommon. And the meta right now kasi, yung naging observation ko, at least not apart from, not just in offline, but in online as well, at Fight Club, yung Amber kasi and Ruby are natural predators to a lot of decks. Simply because of Criminal Mind and Gaston, and of course, Red Alert. It's those 3 pieces of removal that pretty much define this meta.
And Raging Storm.
And Raging Storm. Although, I'm seeing a lot of people dropping their Raging Storms because people tend to play around it anyway. And parang just the fear of having a Raging Storm is enough to throw them off their game. Na parang kahit na wala akong Raging Storm, I'm gonna play like I do. Because you're going to play around it anyway, and then while I'm gonna play around what you're playing around and play around because I know, you know, I know. Mga ganong klaseng mind games that's happening right now. So it's because of those 3 pieces of removal that has pretty much shaped this meta to what it is.
Yung kulay ng shirt ni Gaston, no? Amber tas Ruby.
Kaya pala! It's been staring at us in the face all along.
Kaya pala.
Boosties.
Yeah, and boosties are actually really, really good right now. I've played against a lot of boosties. The Sully loop is just so hard to deal with. Yung bodyguard Sully na nagbabalik ng from the discard, ng character from the discard. And of course, you're gonna bring back the shift Sully and Boo. And then you're just going to loop it, because when you're Raging Storm, guess what? You're getting it back. And it's just really, really tough to
Pag
deal with.
bumaba na yun, may clock ka na eh.
Yeah, there's a clock.
Yeah.
The only real, and again, since not very many people are on Sapphire, the only natural predator to that is Sapphire, because Sapphire removes it by putting it in the inkwell. Unlike all the others where it's banished, you banish it, it comes back.
Babalik.
But Sapphire is the only one that can do that kind of removal, which puts it in the inkwell. And not very many people are in Sapphire because Sapphire is terrible
Sapphire
right
is-
now.
Sapphire is quiet at
Yeah.
the moment.
Sapphire is biding its time at the moment.
Benched muna siya, benched.
Yeah, so yeah, again, very Amber centric. The only rogue that I see would have to be Purple Steel. Because of the bots. The bots are really, really good. But of course, again,
Sure ka
Gas-
bang rogue yun?
yeah,
Nice,
I think
don't
it's
think
I think
that's
it's a rogue. I think it's a rogue.
No. It's
I think it's a
stronger than you
rogue.
think.
Syndrome.
Yeah, yung syndrome. It's very strong.
I
It's
think hindi siya magta-top 3, 4, 5 na gamit ng Slab Sharks ng rogue siya.
Rogue. I think
It's high rolly, but
Yeah.
it's not
High roll.
rogue.
Yes.
okay, it's high rolly. Okay, I stand corrected. But yung ano lang sa kanya is again the natural predator of that. I keep on speaking natural predators as if it was a food chain. Is si ano, again, Criminal Mind and Gaston, because those bots are very, very vulnerable to that piece of removal. It's just that counterplay, but everything else apart from those colors, and Steel isn't even as good right now because Steel again deals damage because of all the high toughness in the meta, because of Dale. Like especially the deck,
Okay.
the Amber decks with the Amber Champion Mickey and Dale and all of that. Steel couldn't do anything. Yeah, sure. Take that 4 damage from bolts. Guess what? I have 4 more. I have 4 more willpower. Deal with it. So
Okay.
Steel is not that good in removal currently, unless you're able to set up a Merida, and and yeah, good luck
Mahirap.
getting that set
Oo.
up because Merida dies to red alert. so it's like
Yeah,
and if it doesn't, and if they don't have the red alert, Isis Vanderchill is just going to exert that, and you're in another pickle. So as you can see, I have played a lot of games with Merida. With Merida getting the shaft.
Ako kasi Mickey Mini eh. I
Yeah.
wanna die. So,
That's true. All right, go ahead.
give me ramp. I
Yeah.
dare you.
Actually, I think give me all this ink. What am I gonna do with all this ink?
Give me ramp or give me 5 lore.
Ayun, Mickey is a rogue. It's both high rolly and rogue. Now that Mickey deck
Yeah.
is both high rolly and rogue.
Pero yung gamit ko, talo dun sa Mickey na yun eh.
Ano ba gamit mo?
Nakikita ko yun. I'm currently testing Touch Paradise.
Paradise. Oh, Paradise. I beat Paradise
So
in that rock paper
Paradise is
scissors.
good against
Green Steel Paradise.
yung Amber Emerald, pero bad against Steel.
Yeah, it's bad against its fellow Steel.
Kapwa Steel medyo alanganin. Kasi
Actually, that's
lahat
another
ng mga
thing that I
basic-
noticed about this meta. Steel beats Steel. So which is to me is kind of not balanced in a way. There should
Sharpened
be
steel? Oh,
there should be a way that is. There should be some sort of rock paper scissors thing that's going on, that Steel beats something.
Meron
something.
naman.
Yeah, meron, but
Meron naman.
the fact that Steel beats Steel is kind of a weird design choice in my opinion. But again, I'm just a player. I'm not a designer. I'm not privy to the vision of the Ravensburger designers. It's just something that's weird that green Steel deck would be beaten by another Steel deck.
Ayun nga.
Anyway.
So, it shows na how wide talaga everything is, right? There's lots of options, lots of decks, other versions of the same color.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Diba? We haven't even talked about detectives, which is medyo stable in its kasi yun nga you have the
We
Judy
haven't
Hopps of it
even
all.
talked about the other 2 Amber Emerald decks.
Yeah, those two.
Ayoko na pag-usapan, pero may
yung
dalawa
walang
pa.
character hindi deserving pag-usapan.
Yun ang predator nun, Steel. Steel ang predator nun because if I find them and I
Find them
flatten
and
them.
flatten them. Endgame.
Boom. Alright, game over.
Pero mahirap rin yung COL
Yeah,
kalaban.
COL. Yeah, the
Yes,
COL
COL.
one is that's tough. It's pretty much inevitable, especially if Milo comes out. Can't do anything.
Haven't even, I haven't landed on a deck na feeling kong kaya kong confidently dalhin somewhere. So I've been hopping around certain decks. Hopefully makaland soon. Kasi
Kasi
moving on to the next
to the next
slide.
one.
Oo.
The next one.
Yung susunod na month, kailangan natin magpahinga na muna siguro. We've had so much Lorcana
Yeah.
for the past few
Months.
weeks,
It's 2 months.
months.
It's 2 months of straight Lorcana, man.
Yeah, so it's been tiring, and yun nga, parang kailangan muna natin silang ibalik kung saan man. Magpahinga muna tayo. For the next like 2-3 weeks, let's just do chill gaming, weeklies lang
Family
muna.
stuff.
Yeah.
Family stuff, bawi na muna.
Bawi na muna sa
Kasi
mga
pag nag-set champs
family
na,
day.
parang
Yeah.
tatrata na, tuloy-tuloy na naman, no? So, enjoy muna natin itong lull in in our schedule, no? Hanap muna kayo ng mga pyesa na gusto ninyo, do weekly, so try to find yung mga decks na gusto niyo laruin, no? And we have a few events, but when I say few lang talaga, no? And just reset. I think a lot of us just need a reset.
Mhm.
No? Kasi
I agree.
para dun sa mga bago, tuloy-tuloy lang kayo. Pero
Yeah, sa
kaming
weeklies,
mga kaming mga titos and yung mga nag-grind talaga,
similar.
mukhang kailangan
Yeah.
munang magpahinga.
The ones who we had to go through how many DLCs, how many set champs, and it just was quite the hectic. But it really came to a head when Wilds Unknown came out. That was just a really, really hectic time for Lorcana.
Yeah.
Because of
Kapagod.
DLC, because of the launch of Attack of the Vine. There's a lot of things that happened. Anyway, yeah, that is what we have for the next
For
month. We're
now,
just gonna chill and
chill muna.
Put that thing back where it came from. More
yeah, you let the community breathe a bit. Parang maglaro pa din tayo, pero let's not be too, too sweaty about it. Diba? We don't have to be sweaty kasi wala pa namang set champs, wala pang anything major. So, we good.
So, kaya rin namin gusto ng medyo chill na kwentuhan lang muna. Nothing like, saka na muna natin isipin yung mga decks. Saka muna natin, let's just assess what we have.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung mga gumagalaw ngayon, and what can we do next steps. Tapos, pagdating ng September, go na lang ulit.
Yeah.
Dahil
we'll see you in September.
See you in September. Medyo
DLC Bangkok? October, November?
Tagal pa yan. Saka na natin isipin. So, we'll just give a little bit of housekeeping.
Yep.
Yung ating So, speaking of set champs, yung mga set champs natin, ito na yung schedule ng mga announced na, no? Currently, nawawala yung Infinity Hobby sa September 13, pero
it was announced, but we don't know what
happened. I
happened.
think it's just there. I think it's still just there.
Yeah.
Napuno kasi, no? And medyo, ewan ko kung nag-merge ba yan with the Infinity Hobbies sa Las Piñas. We do not know. I think it's different, no? To be clarified. But again, lahat ng mga set champs ito ay currently puno na.
Ouch.
Pwede ninyong,
just for your knowledge.
Just for your knowledge. Maybe yung Infinity Hobby sa Las Piñas, baka pwede for the South peeps at willing pumunta na South. I think there's a few more slots. Lahat ito mukhang waitlist na kayo, mga ma'am sir. So, ganun siya talaga. And again, possibly growing pains. We know that there are some shops that will had set champs before that will not have set champs this set
because of allocation,
because of many things many things
apart from allocation,
and we just hope that come set 14 magsisibalikan sila. So Hobby Stadium on 5 September 5, Infinity Hobbies, Courtside Gallery on September 6, and then September 12 and 13 for High Market, and then Infinity Hobbies sa Makati. And to be announced pa yung sa OHS, Play Cafe, and SideQuest. Yung sa Magus, I think, is always on the 5th as well. So,
Mhm.
most likely, yung the first week, palagi sila nandun.
Yeah,
So,
sa Cebu.
mukhang
Hello,
go na
Cebu
sila agad,
people.
Cebu people. No?
Miss
For
you.
for Dipolog, hindi natin alam kung kailan. But yung sa
Shout out,
Tarlac,
boy.
sa Game Start, wala rin pang,
Yeah.
wala pang
Schedule.
wala
I need to
pang
defend
schedule.
that title.
So we'll see kung ano pa
So
yung
pag
mangyayari.
wala, you keep the rain
Yeah,
longer.
yeah.
Then meron sa Game Start, meron sa Game Start. Pero parang wala pang schedule. But ito yung mga meron na announce.
Yeah.
But again, to help you transition this month, re-remind lang namin sa inyo yung mga susunod na weekly activities.
Yeah,
So
the weeklies.
next slide lang. So general events na natin. So one major thing that will happen is sa High Market, yung Enchanted Showdown sa BGC. I think this is in SMX Aura on August 22. Puno na rin yung slots niyan. Ken has announced that they might expand it. So abangan nyo na lang, no? Kung madadagdagan siya, and Enchanted yung prize. Plus other giveaways. Alam niyo naman si Ken kung paano siya gumalaw.
Anong Enchanted?
Okay.
We do not know yet.
Wag na.
Pero an Enchi is still an Enchi.
Yeah, that's true.
No, but to remind everybody, kung meron man kami nakalimutang weeklies, paki-announce na lang sa comments, no? But the ones that we are aware of that have been consistently been doing it, no? So Hobby Stadium on Tuesdays,
Yeah.
medyo madami na
Dami
sila.
na. Bigla biglang dumami sila. Puno
Nakata si
lagi.
Philip. Nakata si Philip na parang, walang pupunta. Tapos parang ngayon, there's like 17 of us. No? Which is funny kasi we've been trying to do it sa Ongkeko, pero parang, I mean like, we have a stable group.
Yeah.
But I hope that people
Magpa-fire naman.
still come. Kasi
Mhm.
para mas maganda na mas madami tayo. No? So, itong bago, yung pop culture community sa Tuesday, I think this is in Libis. No? So, they have a small shop there. Usually, they just have 8, pero supportin nyo habang
Still,
nandyan siya. OHS on Wednesday, so please come on over if you want to. You might get free cards, maybe. No, yung
free
mga
stuff.
hinahanap niyo.
Definitely.
Kasi ganito yung amin din eh. So, syempre, kung kukuha kayo ng card sa amin, ako,
Doon na.
wala akong effort mag-ship. So, magkita na lang tayo. So, sure na nandun kami sa Wednesdays. So,
Wednesdays,
okay.
yes.
So, doon nakikita tayo. They also have sa Arcane Alley sa Wednesdays. This is near the Welcome Rotonda. Tama ba?
QC.
Yeah, sa QC. No, in that area. Bagong shop yan that's also carrying Lurkana.
Yay! More shops,
I know that,
more LGSs.
more LGS, but yun nga, I think di ko sure yung status ng set champs nila, pero I hope that they also have SideQuest always on Thursdays. You can just get in touch with Louie and the other people. High Market, naka on demand siya. On regular nila is Fridays, and in the weekend they always have events. And then Infinity Hobbies on Friday. They also have on Tuesday, pero parang mas maraming pupunta on the Fridays. So you just have that.
End of the week eh.
End of the week. So you might also see us there kapag medyo hindi ganun ka problematic yung mga schedule. Kasi ngayon talaga schedules have been really tough for everybody. But that's it. No? So we invite everybody to join the weeklies, support our LGSs, buy from them, buy product. Continue to go there para makita ng mga tao na okay, yung Lurkana, buhay pala, hindi pa.
All right.
So, yun na po mga ma'am sir.
That is it. Thank you very much, mga pamangking. And if you have any
So,
questions, please
questions
do sound off in the comments. We will try our best to answer them. Like what actually spurred this episode was a question in the comments, the PH marketing. So thank you for that. And of course, as usual, please like, subscribe, like we said, comment. And yeah, we will see you in the tournaments. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.